Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word handy. It's a term that describes something that is convenient, useful, or easy to manage. Let's get started. Meaning. Handy is an adjective that describes something as convenient, useful, or easily accessible for a particular purpose. It often implies that the item or person can assist in accomplishing tasks or solving problems efficiently. Pronunciation. Pronounce handy as ́hændi, rhyming with candy. Use in a sentence. 1. A multi-tool is a handy device to have, as it combines various tools in one. 2. He's always handy to have around when something needs fixing. Synonyms. Synonyms for handy include convenient, useful, practical, helpful, or accessible. Conclusion. Handy is a word that signifies convenience and practicality. It's a quality that makes life easier and more efficient. Thanks for joining us, and may you always have handy solutions at your fingertips.